Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. This is Dr. Kirti Kanodia and enjoy the meditations that we are providing you. Stay tuned, be relaxed and be happy. So close your eyes and take a deep breath. While breathing, allow your mind to relax. The more you relax, the deeper you go, and the deeper you go, the more you relax. So keep on relaxing, keep on breathing, keep on going deeper into your own consciousness. It's okay to relax and let go of all the stress, all the tension that you're carrying into you. It's over, it ends now. So keep on relaxing as much as possible. In this relaxed and comfortable position, ask yourself, am I worthy? Just ask to yourself, am I worthy? And note down the answer, first thought, first impression, first feeling. Am I worthy? Whether I am worthy of love, relationship, prosperity, finance, it's a secondary thing, but am I worthy? And if yes, what is the percentage? The first number that is coming up in the cycle of 1 to 10. First thought, first impression, first feeling. Am I worthy? And if yes, between 1 to 10, the number coming up first in the mind. So now, the number that has come up, just say to yourself, where did I lose the remaining worthiness in me? Say to yourself, where did I lose the remaining worthiness that belongs to me? First thought, first impression, first feeling. Where did I lose the worthiness that belongs to me? To whom? What was your age? When did you lose the worthiness? First number that comes in your mind, the age of the inner child that lost the worthiness for the first time. Call the inner child. Call the inner child, and the inner child will come and stand in front of you. Now, ask the inner child to whom the inner child has lost the worthiness. Call that person, and they will come and stand just beside or opposite to inner child. Now ask the inner child where the inner child has stored the unworthiness. Because when the inner child has lost the worthiness, in return it has taken unworthiness. Which part of the body is responding to this unworthiness? Now, ask your inner child to breathe in to that part of the body and let go of the unworthiness. It's over, it ends now. Breathe into that part of the body where the inner child has stored unworthiness and blow it out and give it back to the person from whom the inner child has picked it up. Release it out completely now. Breathe in, blow out, let go of the unworthiness completely. Say to yourself, the need of unworthiness is over, it ends now. And in return, from that person, take back your worthiness. And integrate that worthiness into the physical body of the inner child. Give out unworthiness and take back your worthiness. The need of unworthiness is over, it ends now. Now, allow the person to go where it belongs to. And if the person is dead, send the person into the white light of the universe. Look at your inner child. Look at your inner child and allow the inner child to trust you. And the inner child will be able to trust you when you accept the part of you with love, compassion, togetherness. So look at the part of you, the inner child, and feel the love between you both. Look into each other's eye. Start feeling the love and compassion for each other. The more you are loved, the more you give compassion, the more inner child will be able to trust you. And when the inner child will trust you, it will be easy for the inner child to integrate and bring back the worthiness that belongs to you. So look into the eyes of the inner child and feel the love and compassion for the inner child as much as possible. Start connecting to your own self, to your own worthiness in the form of inner child now. And while you're connecting now, feel the trust in the eyes of the inner child. Feel the love between you both and allow the compassion to grow as much as possible. Say to your own self, looking into the eyes, I love you, I accept you, and I'm more than happy to see you back here. I love you, I accept you, and I'm more than happy to see you back here. You make me feel complete, content, and belonged. And slowly, you will see the inner child is more than happy to integrate into you. Allow the inner child to get integrated into the physical body, getting merged into your energies, bringing back the trust and worthiness while accepting yourself completely. And allow the inner child to grow to the current age. And this time, you are growing the love, compassion, and acceptance towards your own self. You are growing your own worthiness and the trust for your own self. And when you do this, you will see your confidence coming back. Feel it, allow it to happen, and grow it to the current age. And allow yourself to be into the energy to receive. Receive love, receive compassion, to receive appreciation and prosperity. Allow it to happen right now. You deserve it. You are worthy of it. And now, breathe into your physical body and say to yourself, I deserve the best of the universe. I accept it. I allow it. And I'm worthy of it. I deserve the best of the universe. I allow it. I accept it. And I'm worthy of it. One last time, say to yourself, I deserve the best of the universe. I allow it, I accept it, and I'm worthy of it. Integrate this energy into you and grow to the current age, feeling absolutely worthy to receive the best of the universe, and allow it to happen at this moment right now. See the love, feel togetherness, see your dreams coming true, and you're worthy to receive more than what you think. Breathe into your physical body and bring back your awareness, integrating into your physical body. Feel your back, your shoulder, your top of your head. Integrate, integrate, integrate. Bring back your awareness into the room and open your eyes now. Integrate, integrate, integrate. Bring back your awareness and open your eyes into the room now.